So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can initialize variables in Kotlin by using pair function and triple function. So let me create a new package. Let's name it component. In this component I will going to create a composable function. Let's name it common text field composable, and it should be a function. And I'm going to create another enum class for the input type. So let's create input type enum, and it should be enum class. And let's say name it let's create a two input type. One should be email and other one is like select, for example. Okay, let's go back to the in text field, and here we need to create a variable to handle the text field input. So var text field value by remember mutable state of. Okay, let's import the missing. Okay, and text field its value should be text field value, and on value change we need to update the text field value variable here. Okay, and here inside function parameter we need to create a new parameter. Let's name it input type enum, and we need to create variables here for int comma is enabled is equal to when input type enum. Let's import the branches pair. It should be enter your email comma false pair select comma true, and here false. Okay, and comma placeholder we need to define a composable of the text here, like import, and here text align center comma text hint. Also we need to use the is enable as well. So I'm going is enabled. Okay, so I'm going to define the modifier here. Modifier dot fill max width dot wrap content height. Okay, so let's get back to the main activity. We need to define the column here. Column modifier dot padding inner padding dot vertical dot fill max fill, sorry, size, fill max size, this one, and comma vertical arrangement dot center. Okay, and we need to define the common text field here. So common text field, input type email, spacer, height should be like 25 dot height 10 dot dp, and we need to create another composable of the text field. Let's name it input select. So let's run it. I am using the Firebase, Google Pixel 5 hosted on the Firebase. So let's wait for the run. It's finished the building. Yes, you can see abc@gmail.com. It's not select is not clickable. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can use the triple method. Let's name like is enable, and let's see what parameter is provide. Is read only, is readable, trip, sorry, comma true, comma false, and it should be triple here as well. Okay, and you can use the read only is readable. Yep, we are good to go. Let's rerun it. Yep, abc@gmail, sorry, thank, oops, sorry, true, false, and true. I did a mistake because email should be readable false and select should be readable true. Yep, you are good to go. abc@gmail.com. Here you can see it's not selectable. That's it for this tutorial. You can follow me